set to exceed 40 million tons per year globally, like throwing 800 laptops every second, comprises 70% of our overall toxic waste, 580 metric tons of carbon dioxide gas emissions in 2020 alone, projected to grow to 74.7 million tons by 2030.
Electronic waste or e-waste is a name given to any pieces of electronic equipment that is at the end of its useful life. It can be categorized into three main categories, that is, large household appliance, IT and telecom, also consumer equipment. The rapidly growing technological landscape has led to increased production of electronic materials. The main cause of e-waste is the rising demand for electronic products. Often, the annual launch of new electronic gadgets encourage people to upgrade annually.
E-waste begins polluting landfill, and then the chemicals mix with soil and water. Only 12.5% of it is currently recycled, while 85% is sent to landfills and incinerators. Air pollution. Contamination in the air occurs when e-waste is informally disposed by dismantling, shredding, or melting the materials, releasing dust particles or carcinogenic and toxic chemicals, which are released into the environment, causing air pollution. E-waste of little value is often burned, as well as serve as a way to get valuable metal from electronics, like copper. It also releases fine particles, which can travel thousands of miles, creating numerous negative health risks to humans and animals.
Soil and water pollution. When improper disposal of e-waste in regular landfills or in places where it is dumped illegally, the soil is contaminated by heavy metals, making the crops become vulnerable to absorbing these toxins, which may cause many illness and doesn't allow the farmland to be as productive as possible. Besides, heavy metals and flame retardant can seep directly from e-waste into the soil, causing contamination of underlying groundwater, and also make their way into ponds, streams, rivers, and lakes. Through this pathway, acidification and toxification are created in the water, which is unsafe for animals, plants, and communities. Clean drinking water becomes problematic to find. E-waste is an emerging issue driven by the rapidly increasing quantities of complex end-of-life electronic equipment. The global level of production, consumption, and recycling induce large flows of both toxic and valuable substances.